Well, I was very surprised. I came out here for something completely unrelated, and I saw how much these guys have grown, and that they're actually making flowers. How about that? They're as happy as they could be right here. The flowers are so big and heavy that they're just laying over sideways. That's pretty cool. And they're still making new flowers, too. It's just a bud. And then here you've got like a full branch of flowers on this one. These are so healthy. I'm very impressed with these.